Hey there, guys. Welcome back to our amazing channel. Today, we have a truly special and heartwarming story to share with you. It's about a man who tragically lost his fingers following a work accident, and now struggles with a severely injured hand. But don't worry, thanks to an unwavering hand therapist, he's now regaining his functional mobility, grip, dexterity, and independence back into his life. The man across the table from me beams with pride as he gracefully plays his prosthetic fingers, tapping a perfectly matching rhythm on the table. A few months ago, his hand was severely injured during a work accident, and several fingers were lost. However, with our dedicated therapy sessions, he's now regaining his grip, his dexterity, and his life is slowly returning to normal. As a certified hand therapist, CHT, this is simply my reward. To witness the awe-inspiring light of independence sparkle in someone's eyes. It's not only about the physical recovery, it's also about the mental and emotional healing process that takes place too. I've met so many people who have transformed from being depressed to regaining hope. It's a true privilege to be part of these individual journeys. If you'd be grappling with an injured hand or even a physical impairment, never lose hope. While it might seem challenging, you're never too late to regain your independence and cherish life to its fullest. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you find this story inspiring, please give it a warm like or thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more uplifting tales. After all, life is too short to miss out on. And if you found this story inspiring, let's make a pledge to make a difference in one another's lives. Take care and see you later. To find a hand therapist near you, visit https://www.htcc.org/find-a-CHT.